I love my lady in a good fashion's way, but not so much that I am a fool thereby. And I do not wish it to cost me 5 sous, not I, to have her one at all times, day by day. For may God never help me nor save my soul, if ever I help her, if she helps me not whole. For I mean to do her just as much honor's call as she to me, if she gives me her love at all. A lady who goes toward Valence must first pass by Garden, and must hold to the Verdun if she would enter into Provence. And if she would cross the sea, let her take such a governor who knows the greatest sea for her, and guard her from running aground, let be. If she would hold toward the lighthouse free. Lord Peire, for my fair singing spell, I have from my lady glove and ring as well. And many another man likewise, you see, has had from ladies for their song's own sake. And he who speaks against singing, it seems to me, looks just like one who has had the rebuff's sake. Hugo, if you have the jewel, I tell, another has the flesh and the skin as well. And you sing of what he is in his degree, and while you are putting on a glove for your sake, another man is working on the laurel tree from which you go about shaking the branches flake.